let's focus on the offensive rebounding this direction. 16-6 ang advantage ng Magnolia. And that man responsible for a lot of those offensive rebounds.
Jolene from the same corner is way off.
Here's Mark Gonoy getting his third stint on the floor. After he had two back-to-back, or not exactly back-to-back triples, but he had those two triples back in the third quarter.
8 points. All of his 8 points in the third quarter. That's a 4 pass coming from Vic Manuel. Easily picked off by the defense of Magnolia. Almost a traveling violation kontra kay Barroca. Ratcliffe turns it into 2 points.
At hindi na bumaba doon sa depensa si Edwards. Yun ang malaking pagkukulang ni Edwards, no? Nawawala ng stamina down the stretch. He doesn't sprint back down on defense, kaya nakakawala si Ratcliffe.
I mean, this feels like a must-score situation for Dela Firma. Edwards